Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 12.1. So question number 1 is a traffic signal indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. So what we have to do is question number 1 we have to draw an equilateral triangle. Okay. Its side is A, so all the sides will be A and the given perimeter is 180 centimeter. So P equals to 180 centimeter. So we all know that perimeter is side plus side plus side, which is equals to 180 centimeter. Now 3A equals to 180 centimeter. So A will be 180 upon 3 and A equals to 60 centimeter. Okay. If A is 60, then what we have to do? We have to find the area. So area of equilateral triangle equals to, so you must learn it that area of equilateral triangle root 3 upon 4 into side square equals to root 3 by 4 multiplied by 60 into 60. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 30s are 60. Again 2 1s are 2 and 2 3 30s are 60. So 30 into 30 is 900 root 3. 900 root 3 centimeter square. It is the area. Okay. Now we move to question number 2. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. The side of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. Okay. The sides are question number 2. 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. 22 meter and 120 meter. Okay. And the rate is 5000 per meter square per year. Rate is 5000 rupees per meter square per year. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to find for 3 months. Okay. Find for 3 months. So first of all, S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2 equals to 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2. So it will be 264 by 2 equals to 132 meter. Done. So S equals to 132 meter. So area equals to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to root 132 minus 122, 132 minus 22 and 132 minus 120 equals to root 132 multiplied by 132 minus 122 is 10 multiplied by 132 minus 22 is 110 and 132 minus 120 is 12 equals to root, we can say 132 as 11 into 12 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 11 into 10 multiplied by 12. What we have to do? We have to find pairs. So there is a pair of 11, a pair of 12, a pair of 10 also. So answer will be 1320 meter square. Okay. So this is the area of wall which we have to borrow or on rent. So total rent equals to total area multiplied by rate equals to total area is 1320, total rate is 5000 per year. So what we want is, we want for months. So how many months? We want it for 3 months, then we will multiply it by 3. By dividing 5,000 by 12, we converted the rent in months. So for how many months we want? 3 months, we have to multiply it by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Okay. So 4 twos are, it will be 2, 5, 0, 0, and again 2 ones are 2, it will be 6, 6, 0, 6, 6, 0, multiply by 2, 5, 0, 0, 1, 6, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 16 lakh 50,000 rupees. This is your final answer. There is a slide in the park. One of its side wall has been painted the same color with the message "Keep the park clean and green." Okay, if the side of the walls are 15, 11 and 6, find the area painted in color. Okay, so class, this is the slide that was made. Okay, and this was 15, this was 11 and this is 6. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find this area. Okay, so area equals, first of all we have to find S. S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, all the dimensions are in meter. Okay, so it will be 15 plus 11 plus 6 upon 2. Done? So, okay, it will be 32 by 2, which is equals to 16. Okay, now we have to find the area. Area equals to root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, root 16 minus A, what was A? 15. 16 minus B is 11 and 16 minus C, which is 6. Done? So it will be 16 multiplied by 1. What is 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 6 is 10. Okay, so we can say it 4 into 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 into 2. So we have a pair of 4, so it will be 4. We have a pair of 5, so we can get 5 outside and it will be multiplied by root 2. It will be 5 for the 20 root 2 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Okay, final answer for question number 3rd. Next is question number 4. Find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, what we have to do? Question number 4. Find the area of triangle whose two sides are 18 and 10 centimeter, perimeter is 42. So first of all we have to find the third side. So perimeter equals to 18 plus 10 plus x. 18 plus 10 plus x, which will be equals to given perimeter 42. 42. Okay. So 18 plus 10 equals to 28 plus x equals to 42. X will be 42 minus 28. So 48 minus 28 is 14. So x equals to 14. So we got the side, and if the side is 14, then what we have to find? We have to find S, which will be A plus B plus C upon 2 equals to. Since A plus B plus C is perimeter and perimeter is given 42 already, 42 upon 2 will be 21. Done? Then area equals to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Done? Equals to root 21 into 21 minus 18 21 minus 10 into 21 minus 14. Okay, so it will be root 21 can be said as 7 into 3 multiplied by 21 minus 18 is 3, 21 minus 10 is 11, and 21 minus 14 is 7. Okay, so 7 and 7, we got a pair of 7, 3 and 3, we also got 3 into root 11. So 7 is a 21 root 11 centimeter or meter square. Centimeter square is the final answer of question number 4. Okay, so what we have done is the perimeter is already given and two sides are given. We have to find the third side. So 18 plus 10 plus x equals to 42 and we got x equals to 40. Then we have to find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is perimeter upon 2. We got it, and then after we got the area. It will be 21 root 11 centimeter square. Okay. So class, this is our question number 4. Next we will do question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is sides of a triangle are in ratio 12, 17 and 25. Okay class, the sides of a triangle are given in ratio 12, 13, 12, 17 and 25. So given ratio is question number 5th. The ratio is 12, 17 and 25. 12, 17, 25. Done. Now what we have to do then? Original sides equals to, it will be 12x, comma 17x, comma 25x. Okay. Next is the total perimeter is, total perimeter is 540. So it is 540. Okay, so it will be 12x plus 17x plus 25x equals to 540. So 25x plus 17x plus 12x, it will be 2, 3, 4 and it will be 54x equals to 540. So x will be 540 upon 54. It will be 10. So the sides will be 12x equals to 12 into 10 equals to 120. Next side was 17x equals 17 into 10 equals to 170, and the third side will be 25x equals to 25 into 10, which will be 250. Done. We got all the sides, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter. Yes. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to find the area, and for finding the area, first of all we must find S. So S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2 equals to 540 divided by 2 equals to 270. So semi-perimeter is 270. If semi-perimeter is 270, first of all what we have to do? We have to find area. So area equals to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C equals to root S is 270 bracket 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus last was 250. Okay. So next is root 270 multiply 270 minus 120, it will be 150 multiply 270 minus 170 is 100 and 270 minus 250 is 20. Next, we can say it 10 multiplied by 27 and 27 is 9 into 3 multiply. What we can say it is 10 multiplied by 15 and 15 will be 5 into 3. Or it can be 10 into 10, 10 and multiplied by 10 and 20 will be 2 into 10. Okay. Now first of all we will find the pairs. So 10 and 10 is making a pair and both of these are also making a pair. Okay, it will be 10 and 10 outside. Okay, so we got a pair of 3 and 3 also. So we got a 3 outside. And next is there any 5? No. What is 9? 9 is also 3 into 3. So we got a 3 outside again. Now the remaining are this 5, this 2 and this 10. So in the root there is 5 into 2 into 10. Or 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 9 it will be 900. Root 5 into 2 will be 10. So we can say it 10 into 10. It will also make a pair. So it will be 900 multiplied by 10 equals to 9,000. It was centimeter square. Okay, 9,000 centimeter square. This will be the final answer. Okay class, this was question number 5. Next we have to do question number 6. Okay, so for question number 6 I have to rub this Okay, next is question number 6. An isosceles triangle has a perimeter of 30. Okay, question number 6. We are given an isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the isosceles, these sides are equal. The equal side is 12 centimeter. So it is 12 and this is also 12. And the total perimeter is 30. So 12 plus 12 plus x equals to 30. So x will be 30 minus 24. So x equals to 6. Okay, we got the third side. Now we have to find the area. So first of all find S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. And since the total perimeter is 30, it will be 30 upon 2. 30 upon 2 is what? 15. Done? Since S is 15, so area will be root. First of all write the formula S minus A, S minus B into S minus C equals to root. The value of S is 15, so it will be 15 minus 12. Again 15 minus 12 and the third side was 15 minus 6. Okay, so it will be 15 multiplied by 3, again it will multiply by 3 and then 15 minus 6 is 9. No, 15 minus 6 is 9. So what we have to do? It will be root 15 is 3 into 5. 3 into 3 and 9 is also 3 into 3. So there will be two pairs of 3 and 3. So we got 3 and 3 outside and in the root is between 3 and 5. Okay, so it will be 3 3s are 9 root 15 centimeter square, the final answer. Okay, so class, this was your exercise number 12.1. And for 12.2 you can watch the next video. Thank you class.